Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Please like and subscribe my channel. Ayesha and Stephen Curry celebrated their daughter Ryan Curry's 7th birthday. Both celebrity parents took to Instagram with loving message for their little ones. Steph wrote to his daughter, "A special happy birthday and lucky 7 for my Ryan. Love everything about this special girl. Shine bright my baby." Ayesha Curry also wrote a special message that our baby girl is 7. She is compassionate, headstrong, caring, smart, beyond loving and certainly beats to her own drum. We love our little butterfly. Steph Curry and I are so proud. Ryan Curry is Aisha and Steph's second oldest child and their youngest daughter. Thank you.